Hi everyone, welcome to BrightFace Academy. Ready to learn something new and exciting? Let's get started! Today, let's learn how to use the present continuous tense in our everyday life. I am waking up. I am stretching my body. I am opening the window. I am making my bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am taking a shower. I am getting dressed. I am preparing breakfast. I am eating my breakfast. I am drinking water. I am walking outside. I am exercising. I am listening to music. I am studying English. I am reading a book. I am working on my computer. I am writing notes. I am watching a video.
I am talking with my friend.
I am cooking dinner. I am eating dinner. I am cleaning my room. I am washing dishes. I am checking my phone. I am relaxing on the sofa.
I am planning my next day.
I am feeling happy. I am watching TV. I am going to sleep. Today, we learned how to use the present continuous tense in our daily life. Great job! If you want to learn English in a fun way, this is the right place. Subscribe to BrightFace Academy for more English lessons.